In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy method of multiplying decimals. It's very, very simple. All you need to do, ignore the decimal points. So here we have 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Now, how many decimal places do I have? I've got 1, 2 decimal places. Move the decimal place from here to towards the left. 1, 2. So that's my answer, 0.28. Let's do the next one. Again, ignore the decimals. I've got 25 times 3, which is 75. How many decimal places do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to move the decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal there. This empty hill that I have here, put a 0 there. And that's it. That's my answer. Let's do the next one. Again, ignore the decimal. 6 times 11 is 66. How many decimal places do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So I need to move the decimal from here 4 decimal places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes here. The empty hills. Fill up the empty hills. And this is my answer there. Okay, so just a couple more examples. Imagine I've got here 2.14 times 0.2. Again, ignore the decimal. 214 times 2 is 428. How many decimal places do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I move the decimal from here towards the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next one. Ignore the decimal. 125 times 4 is 500. How many decimal places do I have? 1, 2, 3. So from here, I move it to the left. 1, 2, 3. That's my answer. Okay. Now, just a point to make here that I don't need to leave the zeros here. These are just placeholder zeros. I can just cross them out. These are superfluous. So my final answer can be 0.5. However, if you did leave the zeros here, your answer would not be wrong. Okay. Now let's do the last one. So ignore the decimal. 7 times 12 is 84. Decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Move it to the left. 1, 2, 3. Empty hill. Put a 0 there. This is my answer, 0.084. Now the same principle applies when you are doing a column method multiplication. Ignore the decimal points. Right, 967 times 29. 9 times 7 is 63. The 6 there. 9 times 6 is 54. Add 6 is 60. Carry the 6. 9 times 9 is 81. Add 6 is 87. Okay, cross these out. Cross this out. Put a 0 here because now we are multiplying by 2, which is in the tens column. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1 there. 2 times 6 is 12. Add 1 is 13. Put the 3 there. Carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Put the 9 there. Carry 1. Now, add up the columns. 3, 4. Okay, this is 1 add 9 is 10. Add 1, 18. Carry the 1 there. That's 2. Now, how many decimal places did I have in my original question? I had 1, 2 decimal places. So I move it 2 decimal places to the left. 1, 2. So my answer is 280.43. And it's always a good idea to check, do a rough estimate in your head. If I have 96 times 2 is 96 times 3, my answer is obviously around 280. So that's how I know that my calculation is correct.